Welcome back guys, hope you will enjoy today's video. Stay safe.
Truck now! Hey! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Here we have one chase where police needed to go off-road for this one. Wild chases are in front of us guys. Sit tight, grab some snacks and enjoy.
You see me on the map? Wide F-150. It's got a fictitious tag and a Marley. White male driver. We're Highway 282, westbound.
That's on Highway 282.
Let the county know, because I think I've got a couple occupants. Vehicle over! This is the Arkansas State Police! Pull it over now! You're making this worse on yourself! Pull the truck over now!
Police officer was telling the suspect in a white truck to pull over, but as you can guess, he didn't stop, and from this moment, police officer decided to perform a pit maneuver.
Alright, if you can copy, we're on Highway 282 coming up on 60.
Pit maneuver was done, and the suspect ends up in handcuffs.
One up. Okay. Okay, love you. Bye.
Onscreen K11 1050.
Prepare to witness an astonishing turn of the events as daring driver behind the wheel of a Chevy Malibu attempts a cunning maneuver to outsmart the Arkansas State Police.
It's got a back tag on it. William Paul, Tom X-ray John, 36.
1005.
However, this audacious act takes unexpected twist as the Malibu driver loses control and crashes into a fence.
Where'd he
Prepare for an adrenaline-pumping experience as we deal into heart-stopping action of Arkansas State Police. High-speed pursuit.
Okay, C3's primary, I'm calling it. Going through college now, speed's about 69 miles per hour.
Brace yourself for a thrilling ride as skilled officer engage in breathtaking display of precision driving, executing a perfectly timed and daring pit maneuver to bring the suspect to a halt. suspect vehicle gets out of the control, ultimately colliding with a street sign, and in the end, suspect gets arrested. Here we have another police chase, but in this one you will see motor rider who hits Arkansas State Police trooper and flees.
Car speeds about 60. It doesn't have any acceleration on it though. Traffic's light. Passes slow streets all the way headed towards Mark Mitchell.
The suspect continues south through the intersection onto Blake Street. Seeing that the suspect vehicle struggled to accelerate past 70 miles an hour, I decided to attempt to get in front of the suspect's vehicle to try to make him slow down or even stop.
A blue Harley Davidson X88 to a Robbie Chrysler out of Whitehall.
10th floor. We're coming up on Mark Mitchell now. Speed's about 60 miles. Passing over Blake. Traffic's still high. Speed's about 70. I'm going to try to get in front of him and cut him off.
Seeing that the suspect was creating a hazard for himself and oncoming traffic, I took advantage of our current travel speed and speed around him before driving onto the curve. By conducting this intentional intervention, I knew that the suspect would be forced to stop.
Hey, let me see your hand!
I began to order the suspect to place his arms behind his back, but again the suspect refused to comply with this command, and then I informed the suspect that if he continued to refuse, he would be tased for a third time. The suspect continued to refuse despite several warnings. After the third exposure, the suspect stopped resisting my attempts to apprehend him, and he was secured in handcuffs.
I'm about to tase you if you don't lay on your stomach. If you lay on your stomach, I can get it up. Lay on your
Thanks for joining us on a thrilling journey through the world of police chases. We really hope that you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more heart-pounding content like this one. Stay tuned for our next video where we continue to explore the captivating world of high-speed pursuits. Drive safe and remember to always obey the law. Until the next time, take care.